Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Reddit as an app on PC. So to start, go ahead and open Chrome, then search for Reddit. So now from the options, select the first one. So you can sign into your account. So once you open Reddit, what you need to do next is to click the three dots in the top right. Then from here, you need to scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share. Then from the options, you'll see Install this as an app. So here you can see Open in Reddit because I've already installed it. So let me just click that and I'm just going to uninstall this one just to show you exactly. So I just uninstall that. So again, let's click the three dots, then scroll to the bottom and select Cast, Save, and Share. So here you can see Install Reddit. So go ahead and click on that. Then from here, click Install to confirm the action, and it will be installed to your PC. Next, now on the address bar, so on the right side, you can see this computer right here with an arrow. So if you hover over to that, so it will say install Reddit. So click on that and you can install it from here also. So click install and it will show you or it will open another window. And that's basically it. So if you want to uninstall this, just click the three dots right here, then click uninstall Reddit. So if you want to pin this to your taskbar, so go to your taskbar and right click on Reddit, then just click pin to taskbar. You can also go to your start menu. Then from here, look for Reddit. For example, this one, just right click on that and you can see pin to taskbar or you can also pin to start. Then you can run as administrator, open file location, etc. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.